Mastering the main idea and theme questions in ACT reading. Hey learners! Welcome back to our series on the ACT reading test. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic: main idea and theme questions. If you've ever been puzzled by these types of questions or just want to refine your approach, then you're in the right place. Let's begin with the basics. It's common for students to get confused between the main idea and the theme of a passage. But worry not. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Main idea. This is the central point or the primary message the author wants to convey in a specific passage or paragraph. It's what the text is mainly about. 2. Theme. Think of this as the underlying message or lesson that the author wishes to convey through the entire work. It's a broader concept and can be applicable to real-life situations. For instance, the main idea might be about a young girl's adventurous day in the forest, while the theme could be about the importance of curiosity and exploration in one's life. Main idea questions typically use phrases like 1. The main purpose of this passage is. 2. The author primarily discusses. 3. Which of the following best describes what the passage is about? When answering these, always 1. Focus on the entire passage and not just one part of it. 2. Look for repeated ideas or concepts. They often hint at the main idea. 3. Avoid answers that are too broad or too specific. Find that just right middle ground. Theme questions can be a bit trickier. They might use phrases like 1. The main lesson of the passage is. 2. What underlying message is the author trying to convey? 3. Which theme is prevalent throughout the passage? Here are some strategies. 1. Look for characters' experiences and lessons learned. 2. Reflect on how the story connects to broader human experiences or societal messages. 3. Steer clear of answers that seem too narrow in scope or don't connect with the bigger picture. And there we have it. With a clearer understanding of main idea and theme questions, you're one step closer to mastering the ACT reading section. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep honing your skills, and soon these questions will feel like a breeze. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your test preparation.